constructor with multiple parameters. Let's take a class student. Here what I'll also define name, roll number, marks, and let's create a function display. I'll print self dot name. So now this class is completed. S1 is equal to student, that I want name to be ABC, roll number to be 1 and 90. Then I'll write S1 dot display and it will give me the result. Name is ABC, roll number 1, marks 90. If I create another variable, I'll create another variable s2 dot display, it will give the results. Next we can talk about variables in constructor. First we'll talk about instance variable. Let's create a class student, s1 student. In this I can write ABC 1 and 90, print it in form of a dictionary. I could have also written print s1 dot name. So these are all instance variables. Next we'll talk about static variables. Class student, I initialized a static variable. I'll write dt print college self college. S1 is equal to student, then I'll write s1 dot display. I'll get the result, these values, the inputted values, and the predefined college dt value. Now let's try to change the static variable s1 college ut s1 dot display. Now that variable is now changed. I changed the static variable using this s1 object. But what if I had more than one object? Let's take one more object here only. I'll name it s2. Now you can see the college name was still dt. So it will be changed only for s1, not for the complete class. So next we can talk about a local variable. In this I'm writing m1 self equals to 10, print x. m2 self y is equal to 20, print y. T equals to test t dot m1 and t dot m2. Here these x and y are local variables that you cannot change or you cannot assign using this object. Let me make a bigger class. When I am writing s1 is equal to student, s1 dot set college, I'm changing it to ut. By default we defined it dt. I'm using the function to make changes. s1 dot set college ut, s1 dot display. Again when I'm using s2 dot display, you're getting the result as dt. As I defined a new function get name, if I wanted to use that, I will write s1 dot get name and I will get the result. Let's add one more function here, get percentage. Yeah, I think we can use this example. So again, let's see, we created a class student. Again we initialize a static variable as college. Here we created a constructor. These were the instance variable where we use the self keyword to define them. Here I'm using a class name to define a variable which will be a static variable. We forgot to print our country. Let's create an object s1 student. When I'm writing s1 dot display, I'm getting the result name, roll number, marks. Here I added college and the name of the country. If we want the percentage, we'll write print s1 dot percentage. So when we call the percentage function, it will give us the result of that function.